This is the second mini lecture for section 13.2 of the textbook. So in the last mini lecture, we saw that the one way to average to measure the center of a set of data is to use the average or mean. But we saw that it can be misleading, especially when there are extreme values. We don't necessarily want the fact that we have a bunch of 40s, say, as opposed to a bunch of 50s or 60s, to drag the average way down. So we're going to talk about another way to measure the center now that kind of helps correct for that. Okay, so definition. Let a collection of n data values be written in order of increasing size. If n is odd, the median x hat is the middle value. If n is even, the median x hat is the average of the two middle values. So let's use the data set R on page 686 to try to find the median. Okay, so the first thing to do is list the data in order, from least to greatest. Okay, so I'm going to just copy the data down using the dot plot to help me get it in order. So we have 46, 61, 63, 67, 70, 271s, 372s, 74, 376s, 477s, 79, 79, 79, 81, 86, 92. Okay, so there are n scores here. So there are 24 scores here. So the n is 24. And that means that n is even. That means I need the average of the two middle values. Okay, and the two middle values here are going to be 76 and 76. So the median is 76 plus 76 over 2, which is 76. Okay, so 76 basically is just the middle of the data set when you list the data in order. Okay, now let's do the same thing for t. Okay, again, I'm just going to begin by listing the data in t in order. Okay, so we begin with 4 40s, 45, 49, 61, 70, 74, 74, 75, 79, 81, 82, 84, 85, 85, 85, 86, 86, 89, 91, 96. Now, t has 23 data values, which is odd. So the median is going to be the middle value. Okay, so that's going to be the 12th value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there should be 11 values before that and 11 values after that. So the median of t is 79. And you see that's a little bit more reflective of the center of the data that we were guessing when we were looking at the data sets earlier. Okay, the third way to measure the center of a data set is the mode. The mode is a value that occurs most frequently. Okay, there can be more than one mode if there's a tie. So let's find the mean, the median, and the mode of the data set S. Okay, so I'm not going to write it all out in detail. I'm not going to write out the mean in detail for S, but yeah, the mean X bar is what we get when we add up all the scores, 72 plus 77 plus so on, plus 73 divided by the total number of scores, which is 25 for S. And we get about 73.6. Okay, the median. To find the median, I need to list the data in order. So I have 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 69, 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 73, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 79, 79, and 82. Okay, so that's the data in S listed in order. Okay, here the N, once again, is odd because it's 25. There's 25 scores. So I need the middle score. And that's going to be the 13th score in this case. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and there should be 12 scores before it and 12 after it. And yeah, that looks right. So the median is 73. Okay, and then the mode is any score that occurs most frequently. And we have a tie between several scores. So there's actually 3 modes. There are 3 69s. There are 3 73s. And there are 3 76s. So there's 3 different modes.